Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can private a page on the GoDaddy. So let's get started. First of all, go on the edit side. Now once you are in, you have to click on this plus icon, and here you have to give a name to the page title. You can write private page. Once you give the title, you have to click on the private page. You have to switch on this and create a page. And here your page has been created. Now here you can add the section of this page and also change the settings. For this you have to go on this gear icon, and here you can change the settings. Once you're done with it, you have to click on the publish. So yeah, this is how you can private a page on the GoDaddy.